Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to move lock screen widgets to better, easier for one-hand use on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the lock screen. Press and hold on the lock screen until you see the customization menu. Then tap Customize. Tap the widgets area at the top. Here you can remove or add widgets. Now look for the option to move widgets to the bottom. On newer iPhones, there is Add widgets below clock or drag widgets down. Once you place them at the bottom, tap Done. Now your widgets are easily to reach. You can quickly check the weather, calendar, event, or control smart devices without stretching your thumb. This is perfect for checking information with one hand, making your lock screen cleaner and more functional, using widgets quickly while on the go. And that's it. That's how with this small tweak your iPhone becomes much easier to use one-handed. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.